Hey guys, hope you're doing awesome. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you're new here, welcome to the farm. If you're already part of this farm, thank you so much for joining me again today. So you already know what I'm about to do. I'm about to review this baby over here. It's new to me. I know I'm late to this party, but yeah, I got it and I decided, you know what, why not do a review and a demo. So I will be applying this today just to see how it looks and also share with you guys. So first things first, I'm just going to check the site to see what it claims to do. And this is what it says. 24-hour staying power, flawless natural matte, unifies uneven skin tone, covers imperfections with buildable medium to full coverage, feels lightweight and so comfortable, you won't believe it's super long wear. It's oil-free, non-acnegenic, won't clog pores, which may help avert breakouts. That's good, that's good. Waterproof, transfer resistant, good. Lasts in hot and humid weather, available in cool, neutral and warm undertones, won't look gray on deeper skin tones. And then it gives its benefits that it's super long 24-hour wear, flawless, natural and matte, medium to full coverage, and it's buildable. The finish is matte. What else? Yeah, that's it basically. I got mine in Sandalwood 6W1. It's 30 ml of products and it retails for $42. Let me go straight into this. I've already moisturized and cleansed my face. I'm going to use a kabuki brush. Let me start with this. Oh wow, nice. This is how it looks with the first application. It's medium to full coverage. I can see very medium with the first application. I can still see some of my moles, still dark areas here and there. I'm not a full coverage kind of person, so this would actually work. But I'm going to add another thin layer of foundation, maybe around my mouth area, and also just to see if it will cover some of these spots. And then we'll talk about this foundation. I wish this foundation had a pump, but anyway. Two layers of the foundation on, and this is how it looks. The coverage is definitely buildable. It's a matte finish and I can feel like it's actually drying. It has covered a bit of some of the moles, but I can still see from afar. I kind of like the foundation. It looks really nice. Let's talk about the foundation, what I like about it and what I don't like about it. Just to take you back a little bit, I have worn this foundation before just to get a feel of how it is, how it wears during the day and things like that. So to what I like about it, I like that it actually stays fresh for long. They claim that it is 24-hour wear foundation. I have not worn it for 24 hours, but for the time that I wore this, it stayed fresh for long. Before I started seeing an oily face, it has a long staying power. That's for sure. They claim that it is transfer resistant, and it is transfer resistant. I can definitely say that. The other thing I like about it is the variety of shades. I think they have like 54 shades, which is quite a wide variety, so I feel like everyone can get something from what they have. I like that it is matte foundation and not crazy matte, because I'm not about the matte life. Nope. And this one works okay for me. So yeah, it's good for oily skin, combination skin, and if you have dry skin, definitely hydrate well before applying this foundation. Just prep your skin well. I also love that it did not settle in my fine lines. What? Yeah, that's a good thing. That's a good thing. I like that I can get it locally. Yes. I like that I can get it locally. You can get it at Madora, you can get it at Linton's. What I don't like about it, we need a pump. We need a pump for this thing. Yeah, it will be easier. So yeah, I think that's all I don't like about it. Oh, the other thing is, be careful when taking flash photography with this foundation, because it can give you flashback. It might give you that ghostly look, so just be careful. Yeah, I think that's it. Have you used this foundation? If you have, share with me. Share your thoughts with me. I'd love to know. I generally like this. I can definitely recommend it to anyone who wants to get this foundation, but just be careful when it comes to flash photography. So yeah, that's it for me, guys. I hope you enjoyed this one, and until the next tutorial or review or anything, peace, love and makeup.